let's make this very simple, high protein, high fiber bread. I will link to the exact recipe. The ingredients are simple: psyllium husk, almond flour or almond protein, a little salt, some egg white, and some vinegar. So we're going to start by combining the dry ingredients as you typically do. Again, psyllium husk, it's important that it's the husk powder and not the whole husk. I have made that mistake before. It will not gel properly. Then you're going to add in your wet ingredients, the egg whites, the vinegar, and also boiling water. Then you're going to mix vigorously. This takes about 30 seconds in a stand mixer, or you can just use some muscle until it starts to feel pillowy. You will notice this. This is the fiber in the psyllium husk powder that is starting to gel. The recipe makes 6 rolls. You can change the shape. If you want to make them larger, you can do that. It will just change the nutrition information. Then transfer those to your preheated oven. It's 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes. They will poof into little rolls. I mostly use these as kind of a dinner roll or along with a salad, but you can use them as a sandwich, and they're especially great as a breakfast sandwich option. I find that an egg just fits on there perfectly. If you use the almond flour protein instead of regular almond flour, each roll will have 129 calories, 12 grams of protein, and 10 grams of fiber. That's just in the bread, and this is gluten-free and so easy to make and delicious.